We all know the challenges of research. Due to factors out of one's control, it takes longer than anticipated with many unexpected hurdles sometimes. This explains the frustration many feel when social media influencers mislead others by debunking years' worth of research based on unfounded conclusions. There are many factors that can contribute to delays in the process of building research. Creating research takes time, getting funding can be difficult, and getting various approvals to do the research, like ethics, is required. Then there's unexpected things like the global pandemic, and these are just a few examples. So for this reason, I took part in multiple respiratory research projects at different stages. My first original research was innovations in pediatric respiratory therapy and mechanical ventilation at the Hospital for Sick Children. This topic centered on critically ill pediatric patients who are mechanically ventilated. The ultimate goal here would be for them to eventually be liberated from this invasive technology. Now, here's where the role of artificial intelligence surveillance comes in. We hope for AI to assist clinicians in decision-making for when to begin the process of weaning a patient off of the mechanical ventilator. Since this research topic was still in its preliminary stages, I assisted in building a background and rationale to establish the protocol. In the second research project, I assisted in a later stage with data collection and analysis in the pilot study with the hopes of informing a larger trial in the future. In the ACE facility here at Ontario Tech University, we studied how climate factors such as temperature and humidity affects exertion and shortness of breath in participants with chronic lung conditions. To assess this in different extreme weather conditions, participants told us how they felt in the environment and they completed a walk and breathing test. Participants would wear belts which track some vital signs such as pulse, temperature, respiratory rate, oxygen level, and blood pressure. I helped to collect the data in temperatures as low as minus 15 degrees Celsius and as high as 35 degrees, both up to 100% relative humidity. From these two projects, I have learned quite a bit. In the first one, I came to understand and have a deeper appreciation for research because I realized that early stages where a protocol is still being built requires a lot of writing, planning, and teamwork to ensure the goals and methods of the study are accurately presented. In the second project, where I assisted in data collection and analysis, I was able to expand my knowledge on the connection between symptoms in patients with chronic lung disease and weather conditions. These two projects have been enlightening on the research process in general, from building a protocol to data analysis and collection.